Hello, in front of me I've got Suzuki SX4 S-Cross. In this video I'll show you how to manage steering wheel buttons. In the beginning, take a look at the left side of the steering wheel. Right here we've got the panel, thanks to which we can change radio source. We can mute or unmute radio. We can change volume and radio station. Right here we've got the panel, thanks to which we can activate voice assistant. We can answer and end calls. On the right side of the steering wheel, we've got the panel, thanks to which we can activate cruise control, speed limiter,
Przepraszam.
and also we can change distance from following car. Of course, if you press right here, you will use horn, and if you pull this button, you will enable lane assistant. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and
Proszę
subscribe.
powiedzieć